Name the oases that spread in the UAE. The answer is the oases that spread in UAE are Alain oases, Daid, and Liva oases with several small oases called as Meheder Liva. Name the oases that spread in the UAE. The answer is the oases that spread in UAE are Alain oases, the Haid, and Liva oases with several small oases called as Meheder Liva. How do camels survive in desert? The answer is it has longer ice layers that protect the ice from getting damaged by the sand during a sandstorm. Camel can close their nostrils completely to stop the entry of sand into the respiratory passage from the environment. Hump of the camel can store fat which helps them survive without food from months.